So, there you have it. That's the Land Rover sliding floor. The whole thing weighed about 60 pounds. It's pretty heavy duty, but it can hold 330 pounds. And that's the beautiful Land Rover it's in, of course. Exploring a nearby lake in British Columbia in that photo. So there it is. You're going to be adding 60 pounds all the time, and you can hold 330 pounds right there on that sliding cargo floor. You can find more cool stuff like this on the Slime Corp YouTube channel. This is a pretty fun one. A couple of Land Rovers out exploring some mountains. You might also see some videos where we get a little squirrely in this Land Rover. You might recognize some of the Under Armour here, my stealth sliders, air compressor guard. And so, you know, if you kind of check back on all 200 videos on the channel, you'll see when the Land Rover used to look like this. I put a big hologram of the first adventure I went on with that Land Rover, and you know, whether it's been modified after a couple of years or how it was when I got it, it's a really awesome truck. So yeah, check out some of those other videos if you want to see the progression. You can see, you know, trying to salvage those side steps. There's a cute few videos on that. Changing out the 19-inch wheels for these 18s, and many, many, many more things on this YouTube channel. So, check it out. We use augmented reality here, these holographic windows, and, you know, my goggles are about out of batteries, so I guess it's time to exit. And we'll get back to adventuring. This headset, it understands what I'm looking at, where I am, what my hands are doing. And that's how I'm able to make these videos. I use an application. This is an app here. You can see how it detected my hand there a second ago. In fact, my mouse cursor is on my hand. It knows how close I am to things. See how that light changes? See how these things grow? I can grab them. I can resize things. That's the beauty of augmented reality. I can still see the world around me. And I have the benefit of all of this incredible technology at my fingertips. This menu knows where I am. It's going to stay with me, follow me around. It's a 3D menu. And I think for now, I'm just going to stop recording this video.